POE offers one-stop PCBA service for 24 years. We constantly investigate new methods of quality improvement. Recently, 2 new machines added in our production line. The first one is the 3D X-ray machine. This machine is used to evaluate the solder joints for BGA, QFN and some ICs which have solder joints can't be visually inspected, then give us an analysis. The second new machine is the automatic conformal coating machine. Conformal coatings are used to protect electronic components from the environmental factors they are exposed to, such as moisture, dust, salt, chemicals, temperature changes, and mechanical abrasion. Successful conformal coating will prevent the board from corroding. POE will always be your reliable partner.